fish tacos with zucchini avocado slaw. Here's what you'll need to make this recipe. The first step is to grate or shred the zucchini on the large holes of a box grater, and then place the zucchini in a towel and squeeze out the excess moisture. Combine the squeezed zucchini in a mixing bowl along with a thinly sliced red bell pepper. I used a mandolin set on 3 millimeters to slice my pepper, and then halve, pit, and dice an avocado and add it to the bowl with the bell pepper and zucchini. Zest and juice 1 lime. Add the chopped garlic along with some minced jalapeno. You can use fresh or pickled, and season to taste with salt and pepper. Stir to combine, and then cover and refrigerate the slaw while you prepare the fish. For the fish, combine the cayenne, garlic, cumin, and salt and pepper in a small bowl, and then sprinkle the spice mixture generously on both sides of the fish. You may not use all of the spice mixture. Next, heat about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large skillet, and then add your fish and cook for about 4 minutes on each side, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. Try not to touch the fish while it's cooking. If it sticks, it is not ready to turn yet. Just be patient, give it another minute or two, and then turn and cook on the second side. After about 4 minutes on the other side, the fish should be ready. Heat the corn tortillas however you prefer. I like to heat them on a comal, but you may want to do it in the microwave or in the oven. It's whatever works best for you. After heating your tortillas, assemble the tacos. Just pile on the fish, the slaw, and whatever other taco toppings you like. I served these with a bit of sour cream and lots of fresh cilantro. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.